Namaqualand, the desert that blooms. Imagine a desert that turns into a sea of flowers. That's Namaqualand. For most of the year, it's dry, rocky, and quiet. But between August and October, this arid land explodes into color. Millions of wildflowers bloom after winter rains. People from around the world drive the Namaqualand flower route, snapping photos of orange daisies, purple viges, and carpets of pink and yellow stretching for miles. The region also offers 404 trails, stargazing, and quaint farm stays perfect for those craving beauty off the beaten path. Namaqualand is proof that even the harshest places can hold the most delicate wonders.